Snoopy, and Merry Christmas, and welcome to all of our wonderful guests joining us this evening. We are overwhelmed that you decided to join us in celebrating the holiday season here at Kings Island. It's that time of year where people from all over the world come together to celebrate family, love, and friendship.
And tonight, we welcome our special guest, the newest inductees into our Permanent Associate Hall of Fame. We have Katie Milbauer from Park Services, Chris Brayton from Maintenance, and Dave DeVore from Food and Beverage to help with the proceedings of lighting this grand and glorious tree.
Let's give them a round of applause. Well, we are so lucky to have you here tonight. And wouldn't you know it, it looks like Snoopy has brought you all a special gift. Would you do us the honors of opening this lovely present?
Wow, that's beautiful, and the perfect way to light up our tree.
May the magic of this special ornament be a symbol of the season, bringing together family and friends from near and far to celebrate these joyous times. All right, Kings Island, here in a few moments, we're gonna count down from 10 and let the magic of this special ornament provide some illumination as we light up our Christmas tree. Kings Island, how does that sound? All right, Snoopy, are you ready? Inductees, are you ready? All right, here we go!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And of course, Snoopy too. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy people, greeting people, hurry by in an endless parade. Roll the wind blows through your windows. It's 90 degrees in the shade. Oh, Christmas is the warmest time of the year. So be glad you're alive and try to derive the portions of love and good cheer. And let nothing you dismay as you wait for that glorious day. For Christmas is the warmest time of the year. Merry Christmas!
Thank you for joining us in our tree lighting ceremony. We now invite you to go and explore, create memories, and experience the magic of WinterFest during this holiday season.